At least when he crashes it, it puts it back together again. What is the definition of camber? Okay. Mad front splitter there. Yeah, check this out. You have a nice Civic EP3 Type R. They're quite rare. Quick wheels. What an absolute cruiser. Found in a bath here. Starbucks cups as well. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Back on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. Currently filming in the road. I hope that's okay. I'm not going to get run over. I have travelled on my own today in my recently purchased Honda Accord Coupe. Happy to say I've actually made it to my location, which means the car went fine and the journey went fine. Luckily, thank goodness. Today you join me at a car meet held by a fellow YouTuber who goes by the name of Boca, or Boca123. He started this channel filming BMX videos, and now more of his videos contain cars and car content. So I'm here today at his unit, as he also has a clothing brand. So let's take a look at what's here so far. So here she is, just parked on the sort of as you come around the corner here. So yeah, there she is with her private plates on. A couple of the old business cards on there as well if anyone fancies taking one. Found in a bath here, just chatting to the guy that owns it. He said he absolutely loves it. So we got a half wrap on here, so we've got the camo. Quite like it when people do this. So I'm just going to apologise here because throughout this video you may see dots on the screen. I really need to sort out my camera gear. This is being filmed on my dad's camera, and bless him, he used it in his garage. It's obviously got mucky and stuff. It's the only equipment I had on the day, as my own camera's broken, so I did film, but the quality isn't the best, so apologies. Got a custom back box in here as well, which is absolutely huge, filling up the rear diffuser nicely. And of course on here we got the all-important Ford induction kit. Yeah, nice to see one of these here. Follow this GT86 in. It's really nice. Really nice. Got the rotor wheels on there. Maxon design. Side skirts. Nice big old banner there. These are pretty cool cars. Look nice from the rear, that was for sure when I was following it. Rather nice BMW convertible here. A nice front lip. Tinted fogs look really nice. Looks nice with the ambers as well. Don't know what those wheels are, but they are really nice. Look at that, and I like the way the rear lights actually are just all red. Really cool. Merc that got in nice and early like me. Oh, a manual as well. So Boca himself has quite the collection. This is one of them. His recently purchased Land Rover Defender that he's made into a kind of camper van basically in the back. This is also Boca's car, a Seat Cupra R. He's had this for a very long time. It's more of a stripped out kind of track car build now. Boca's mate Stuart, this is his E36. Did start off maroon colour, then it went brown, and now it's all different colours because he drifts it. But just check out those wheels. At least when he crashes it, it puts it back together again, I suppose. That is commitment there. But yeah, the brown is actually a Fiat brown, I believe it is. It's really nice. Got another E36 as well, look at this. Beautiful. All stripped out in there, featuring some Starbucks cups as well. This car here is owned by that guy there, Mick, again one of Boca's friends, who now has his own business selling jewellery, which is pretty cool. So this is recently purchased Audi TTRS, looking really nice. Real nice in the red actually. Corolla T-Sport.
Are you not? No. Are you sure? £10 a day.
Nom. Real nice Integra Type R here. So clean. I love it in white as well.
And then the dogs in the back.
Cool looking Passat on some Bowler wheels. Like the Passat graphic as well. It's pretty cool. E36 compact here. Don't really see many of them. I was talking to the guy who owns this earlier. They basically do these in Toyota or Lexus, and this is a Toyota version. I can't remember the model name, which is quite embarrassing, but I don't think he's had the car long. Looks really nice. The big polished wheels on there. Yeah, I saw this come in. What an absolute cruiser. What a beast. A couple of JDM cars here. Got a real nice Subaru. Again, looks nice and white. Right there, it looks like an X-Lite or something down there. Raised white wheels. Sort of one bucket seat, one not. Yeah, this looks pretty tidy. Don't see many of these in white. Got a Nissan Silvia here. Nice kind of, I don't know, glitter purple. Next to a real old Nissan Silvia. I've seen a couple of these before. They're quite rare. Quick wheels, polished lip. Got Recaros in there. That looks really nice inside. Little roll cage. This is beautiful. Like the rear end as well. You could put a spoiler there, but I think it looks better without. We have a nice Civic EP3 Type R, which obviously I have to look at. It's on there, facelifted, year 2004. It's nice to see his Civic badge has also peeled off some paint, so it's not just me. So this one, we have a massive exhaust exit at the back there. This one has got the correct Type R wheels on, which mine should be on, but it isn't. And yeah, this one looks pretty lowered as well. Pretty low. Pretty nice looking Polo here as well. On some Dare rims. The polished lip looks really, really nice actually. Spoiler lip. Again, little, well I say little, nice exhaust on there. Don't know what it is, but this looks kind of cool. We've got all sorts here. The whole industrial estate's pretty much for BQR MEET. Really cool Saxo with another one, identical pretty much over here. Obviously in the best colour. We got the orange and the white contrast. Yeah, check this out. This is pretty cool. This is. Stripped out in there as well, the steering wheel hanging up there. Very cool. Carbon fibre mirrors there. VTS. This Corolla T-Sport seems to be getting quite a bit of attention, but while it's not, I will give it some attention. Mad front splitter there. Got some wide arch kit on there, fluorescent green mirrors. Camera doesn't like to pick up, there we go. Yeah, this is proper stripped out. You've got the plastic windows there, Sparko seats, roll cage. Big old spoiler. Pretty nuts. These people haven't camped here. This is actually a display stand. So Latitude, I think their name is. They do like car roof boxes that you can basically camp in. And just look at this, by the way. Wow. They got some nice cars. Lovely 3-spoke wheels. Audi steering wheel. This is well clean. I just love those wheels. We have two E36s rocking the roof tents as well. That was a similar colour to what my E36 was actually. It might be. Let's have a look at this one. This one looks more darker black. No, this looks a bit similar as well. Nice wheels. A couple more Beamers there. This is really nice. I nearly bought one of these a little while ago, but it was like sort of nearly done project. So I didn't buy it because I thought I've already done that kind of a project car thing before as such. This is really clean. Looking real nice in red. You don't really see many Beamers in red, I suppose. That's real nice. Just heading back to my car because I got these Driven 24/7 business cards printed up the other day. I was just chatting to some people and I thought I should have gave them a card, so I might try and give them a card and get back in conversation with them later. But yeah, gonna go and get the business cards just in case I make some friends, because I need to, because I'm a loner here on my own. Another E36 here. Jesus. Have a look at this then. Cobra seat is nice white and orange theme. Sort of a flock dash as well. It's very cool. Mad looking MX-5 here. Okay. Liking the colour though. What is the definition of camber? That is it. Nice candy apple red though. Work wheels. Oh, I like the seats, they're nice. Mazda speed, they're pretty cool. Rear lights have literally got flames in. Got carbon fibre kind of red boot panel there as well, looks really cool. S2000 here, the roof down because it's real sunny here. Got Megane RS, big old wheels there. I do actually like the look of these, mainly because of the rears is what I like the most. Just look nice and chunky. Really cool. Another Seat, massive wing. It's a nice dark purple as well. See the colour there? Got nice rotor wheels, little wide arch fenders. Wide arches at the front as well, which is wicked. Pretty cool Honda here with a massive wing. We got the Team Dynamic wheels on there in gunmetal, looking quite nice. exhaust down there, and we got a bucket seat, passenger seat, and the rear's been stripped out.
Well, you don't need the fan unless you're idling.
Maybe that's some sort of limited edition like my Barley edition was. Cute little starlet here hiding away in the shade. Nice. Real tidy and clean E36 coupe here in the maroon red. Very, very tidy. Look at the wheels as well. It's a real nice spot down here next to an E36 estate. Another Type R here. Type R's also rocking a black boot. Big old wing on some aftermarket wheels by the looks as well. Not sure what they are. It's really cool. BMW E30. Little camping badge on the front. I like that on the grille. Nice matching wheels on there as well, the polished lip. This is pretty cool. Massive exhaust exit there as well. Hi guys, so it's the day after the BQR meet and just filming this outro because when I got home yesterday I was aching from a long drive. I was obviously tired and I pretty much came home, didn't really have dinner and bath and bed, which was really nice. Just aching. A couple of things I want to touch on from a personal point of view, talk about the meet and the car that I took to the meet. So on a personal point of view, I was very surprised in myself, but proud of myself that I even made the journey up, because as I said, it was a few miles away from where I live. It was over a 2-hour car journey, and I've been to places on my own kind of far, but since I've kind of not wanted to because I get a bit anxious, a bit stressed, and I knew this meet I was going to it alone, and I managed to pluck up the courage. I just had my music on, just focused and concentrated on the end product, getting to the meet, having a good time, and I managed to do it, so that was good. Second of all, the car I took, which was my recently purchased Honda Accord Coupe. Again, I haven't had that car very long. Would it even get me to that meet? It did. No problems, but what I did notice on the way back is when I was doing motorway speeds and I had to put my brakes on a bit, I think I've got warped discs because I can feel vibration when I put my foot on the brake pedal, which isn't ideal. Not the end of the world, but something I need to look into. Only fault I could fault the car with, so that's fine. Nice comfortable ride, had the cruise control on sometimes, but yeah, just a nice smooth cruiser for those motorway journeys. So yeah, well happy with how the car performed. I just want to touch on something. I feel, because I am a YouTuber myself, I only watch a few amount of channels. I just like the small amount of channels that I like and I watch quite regularly. One of these channels being the BQR channel, hence why I went to his unit where he sells all his clothes, and these aren't, you know, your normal kind of merch stuff. It's all manufactured, designed by him, and then like all this stuff is picked and chosen by him, material, sizing and everything. So that's why I had to get the t-shirt that I'm wearing. I also got a BQR lanyard. I got it in green to obviously match the Accord. So those were the two bits that I bought. In the morning time I went, it was pretty ramos. The main man himself was busy, you know, selling his stock and stuff, which was fine. I managed to chat to one of his mates, so that was cool. And then later on, another YouTuber I follow, Adam Ivel from the 621 channel. He's really into Hondas. I knew he was going to stop by, I wasn't sure when. Luckily, when I was kind of thinking of going, he turned up, so I hung around for a bit. Managed to have a really quick chat with him, but again, because he's got a good following, people also want to chat with him and not just me. And that's something, a position I'd love to be in. So when I go to these YouTubers meets, although I get jealous, like, oh, I want to be like you and I want to have the things you have, that's only natural, right? It also really motivates me. How can I have the things like you? How can I be as popular as you? So it's cool. And yeah, the drive home went really well. It was a beautifully hot day. Like, I was wearing a fleece. I was like, oh, I'm going to have to take this off in a minute. Weather was beautiful. Cars were really nice. I'm borrowing my dad's camera that he bought for vlogging. Luckily, he quit YouTube, so I can now borrow it because my one broke. And I'm still not 100% with the camera he's lent me. Nothing to do with him. It's just, I know there's better quality gear. So I need to sort out my camera gear, I think, for sure, if I want to start doing this YouTube more seriously, like I'm trying to do. But anyway, nonetheless, I have put out a video of the BQR meet. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video.